What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Patreon. It is 3:23 p.m. here on the East Coast in the USA. It is February 16th of 2019. So, Bitcoin, still trading in this range. Before we get to that, guys, I would like to address something else. Another hack, a major crypto brokerage, CoinMama. Never used it. But it says almost 500,000 users affected in massive worldwide breach. The official statement of the exchange disclosed that almost 500,000 email addresses and passwords were leaked in a massive global hacking attack involving 24 websites and some 747 million records. CoinMama team said, today, February 15th, 2019, CoinMama was informed of a list of emails and hashed passwords that were posted on a dark web registry. Guys, we're getting into, it's about that time, right? It's about that time, guys. Right? We got all kinds of hacks happening last year. This year, we got, Cryptopia, Quadriga, CoinMama. I mean, what is next, guys? What is next? Right? We need to make sure that we are securing our funds. If you don't have cold storage, at least make sure you're spreading your funds out. This is not financial advice. It's just what I'm doing, what I would, consider thinking about. Right now, I am buying hardware wallets, and I'm going to see which one I like the most. You have your classic Trezor wallet, Ledger Nano. I'm going to go beyond that and see what else I can find, because I don't want to go with just the most common one. I want to see what else there is. I want to see what else this industry can offer. And I will get back to you guys with what I find, what I like the best. But anyway, aside from securing your funds, guys, here, Bitcoin still trading in this range here. I just marked up this area where we have this little, this area of wicks here. So this is like our resistance point right here. This little area right here is going to be the toughest point to get through for the price. Because, we could get rejected right here, or we could get rejected right here. Either one, guys, right? This is our resistance area right now. This is where our top wicks are, and where our most consistent resistance point is right now, right here. So we're just stuck in this area. Buyers are still present, right? The buyers are still here. There's a little bit of demand, but not too much. I would not be surprised to just see this thing, kind of just continue to trade in this range for a bit, right? But we'll see. If we do get a break up and, we break past 3630, we could probably wick up to this area, 3,700, maybe trade here for a bit and possibly continue up. Rejection is also possible. We'll see, right? We got to see, it's hard to tell right now. Bitcoin's just trading sideways. You have a lot of consistent selling in here, a little bit of buying happening in here. We'll see which, we'll see if the bulls or the bears prevail. It's very, very neutral right now, guys. There's no clear, it's not the momentum. Guys, the momentum of this trend has very much died out, right? We're kind of just flatlining here. We traded down a little bit, had a little bit of a bump, trading sideways again. And we got some nice overhead resistance right here. So, we'll have to see how this plays out, guys. Again, make sure that you're comfortable with what you have. If you woke up tomorrow and Bitcoin was at 6K, would you be happy with what you have? If you woke up tomorrow and Bitcoin was at 2K, would you be happy with what you have? Ready to go for lower prices, right? You got to ask yourself these questions, guys. But right now, we're just squeezing into this price range. It is also possible, guys, that this thing just continues on this descending triangle pattern, right? Something like this is also possible. And from there, it could go up, it could go down, right? We'll see. We'll see. But I think, again, as I've been saying, like I've been saying, guys, a little bit of stability in this area makes sense to me. It would make more sense to me that we would find some stability going into March. And that is kind of what we're seeing now, right? So, not too much other than that right now, guys. I mean, we are hugging, we're hugging this resistance point, right? So the price can squeeze through here. It can squeeze through. And, if we just kind of blow through these resistance points, you'd probably see a 4K Bitcoin pretty fast, right? If we move through these resistance points right here pretty quickly, you could see a 4K Bitcoin pretty fast, in this area, right? Every time Bitcoin's price comes into this area right here, it swings, guys. This area is the playground, right? You get a lot of swings up here. So if we break through 3630, 3700, you will see a nice swing, probably to 4K or so. Again, I personally don't believe we will get above 4250 until the next upcycle. Maybe a possible wake up to 4300 or something. But I think we will be rejected by this downsloping resistance point for quite some time. And I believe we're going to find our low in the 2000 range, most likely consolidate, and eventually, you know, start pushing out of here, guys. I think this industry is developing enough right now for me to be confident enough to say that, or, you know, to think that we are going to see another bull market. I'm very certain of it, guys. Again, this technology just got released. It's only 10 years old. The banks are just starting to figure out what it is and how to use it. I think, guys, as all these different entities start picking up blockchain tech and start figuring out how to use it, the development is going to exponentially increase. Exponentially. It's gonna happen fast, guys, right? It's gonna be like 1 year, and then the next year we're like, oh wow, like this is here, right? I'm telling you, it's gonna be a 1 year to the next situation, whether it's this year to next year to the next year. I'm not sure, but guys, within a year or two, this industry is going to boom. When I say within a year or two, I mean at a certain point. It's only going to take a year or two to get this industry really rolling and integrated into our society, guys. It's going to happen faster than you think, in my opinion. And again, whether it's public blockchains or private blockchains, that's still to be determined. But you know, guys, we're just sitting. You know, look at this formation right here, guys. Look at where we're at, right? You know, if you're looking at the buying right here, like if you're looking at your lowest point, right? The lowest point on the chart, this green candle, right? That's this green candle right here. That one here, right? And this bounce right here, that's your volume candle right there. To me, it's not, it does not tell me that this is a macro trend reversal, long-term bottom. Could we see some bounce up, you know, some moves up into this range? Absolutely, guys. We absolutely could see some play into this area, right? I wouldn't doubt that whatsoever, right? I mean, we could also just hold below. But I don't think we're going to be breaking out into a bull market anytime soon. I think it's going to take at least until the second half of this year. But we'll see, guys. Just wanted to run some thoughts by you there. Did we have any questions yesterday? Somebody was saying that they got caught in some Binance delistings. That sucks. Somebody says that they moved their crypto onto their Nano Ledger. Somebody says, for some reason, I just don't touch XRP. I stay away from it. I also do. I don't touch XRP either, guys. It's just too big of a supply. I don't know what the hell they're doing over there. You know, they make claims that they're trying to do cross-border payments, but I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I'm not gonna get into XRP right now. I'm not interested in it very much either. I mean, I'm not saying it can't be successful. I'm just also not really that interested in it. I like decentralization. Somebody was talking about Coinbase doing something with Zcash. Oh, yeah, there was like a Zcash giveaway or something. But that's about it for today, guys. We'll see how this plays out. Let's hop into the 5-minute here and see what's happening. 15-minute, you know, not too much going on. I mean, we are pushing up a little bit, but I mean, I don't know, guys. When I'm looking at that volume in here, when I'm just like looking at this volume here, it doesn't seem all too strong. It's a lot of selling in there, guys. A lot of selling in there. So we'll see. Every time the price comes up, we just sell, 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 sell. You know, every time the price comes up, we sell, we're down sloping. Although we kind of are holding this level a little bit now, rounding off a bit, but that can change pretty fast, right? I mean, we'll see, guys. We'll see, right? Just sideways, sideways, sideways. Anything else going on? Not really. Ontology up 43%. Is there a reason for that? All right, guys, that's about it for today. I will talk to you all very soon.